Let's start by uploading the fonts we're going to need to create this template. From the GraFx Studio's templates page, click the GraFx fonts icon on the left-hand side. Click Upload on the right. Now, there are two slightly different ways to upload fonts. Let's go with the first one. Select the zipped font folder and confirm you have the right to use the font. Then, just click Upload Fonts, and that's it. Now, here's the second way. Click Upload, open the Fonts folder, and select the styles you need. Again, confirm. Now, in some cases, you might be asked to confirm the font style. To do this, just select the matching style from the drop-down lists in the window. When all styles are matching, the Upload button will become available. It's easy, it'll turn blue. Click it, and you'll see your fonts. To see individual styles, just click your font, and that's it, all done. Click the GraFx Studio icon to return to the templates page.